Hello to everyone, English students, and today I want to introduce myself. I'm Catherine Oviedo. I'm 26 years old. Actually, I live with my parent and my family here in Iguahuila. I was born on the 3rd of December 1996 in the Christmas month. In this moment, I want talking about my hobbies. But the first, I want that you see the next video. So about my hobbies, I love practicing strength sports, and I love watching romantic movies, and I eating pasta. But I hate meat. I always prefer eating vegetable, and I hate cooking. But it's really because I hate the cooking, but I like eating all the time. I want talking about my daily routine, but I get ready to start my day. My alarm goes off around 6:30, and I wake up around 6 a.m. I get out around 7:30. Then I have my breakfast, showers, and I brush my teeth. I carry on my day of the Lagos Club, and I usually work with children on and the different content that I visit the park every day. So I set I set off different activity of recreation, and I'm so happy with my work. I love my work. So I finish my work around 4 p.m. and I put my schedule in the post office of the next day. So I get in my home around at 6 p.m. And so I get off my car and I have my dinner around 8 p.m. before I break up work. And I'm feel tired because sometimes I feel that studying and work is a little complicated, but I know that it's a very challenge for me. So thank you so much, and bye bye.